There was a time when only two things powered America, oil and Rockefeller. John D. Rockefeller, the world's first billionaire, a man who didn't just build wealth, he created a financial legacy that still lives on today. But the real question is how? How did one family manage to stay wealthy for over 100 years, when the most rich families lose it all by the third generation? In today's episode, we uncover the secrets behind the Rockefeller fortune, the system, the mindset, and the money strategies that turn temporary riches into eternal wealth. It all started in 1863. A young entrepreneur named John D. Rockefeller entered the oil business. Oil was everywhere, but there was no efficiency, no structure, so he built it. Standard Oil wasn't just a company, it became a monopoly. At its peak, it controlled 90% of America's oil refining. He cut costs, reinvested profit, and scaled like no one before him. And soon he became the richest man in modern history. But building wealth was just the beginning. Now let's talk about how he protected it. Rockefeller made a genius move early on. He created family trust. Think of it as generational money with training wheels. Trust ensured that the fortune was managed professionally, not emotionally. Now let's move on how that money was actually managed. The Rockefellers didn't rely on luck or casual advice. They ran their wealth like a business. They hired the best investment advisor, tax attorneys, accountants. Every dollar was tracked, invested, and made to grow. This was not get rich quick, it was stay rich forever. But money alone doesn't survive in this generation. The real fuel, education. Now let's talk about that. In the Rockefeller family, children were taught early on that you don't own the wealth, you steward it. That mindset was everything. Each generation learned how to money works, how to manage it, and how to preserve it. They didn't just pass down money, they passed down discipline. But what if market crash? The Rockefeller had a plan for that. After Standard Oil was broken up in 1911, the Rockefeller family didn't lose money. They actually got richer. Because they owned shares in dozens of oil companies that came out of it, Exxon, Chevron, Mobil. But they didn't stop there. They diversified into real estate, banking, international investment, technology. They reduce risks and protect the family from any single industry collapse. But here's something surprising. Giving away money also made them stronger. Let's explore that. John D. Rockefeller once said, giving should be as strategic as investing. So he created the Rockefeller Foundation, one of the world's most influential philanthropies. It didn't just help the world, it built reputation, soft power, and let's be honest, huge tax benefits. From the public health to education to scientific research, they gave smartly. The real secret behind the Rockefeller dynasty, family governance. They run their family like a board of directors, annual meetings, financial update, dispute resolution process, a shared family mission and values. Every Rockefeller has a role even if they are not running businesses. This structure keeps the vision alive and prevent wealth from the being broken up or wasted. Let's bring it all together. So what the real Rockefeller secret? It's not just oil, it's strategy, structure and stewardship. Let's recap. Build wealth through monopoly, protected with trust, grew it through professional management, taught each generation financial discipline, diversified across industries and borders, gave strategically through philanthropy, and ran the family with a system, not emotion. Most families treat wealth like a gift. The Rockefellers treated it like a responsibility. They didn't just leave money behind, they left behind a playbook. And if you are serious about building long-term wealth for yourself and generation after you, the Rockefeller way might be the ultimate blueprint. Thanks for watching guys. If you found this video useful, like, share and subscribe for more content.